Can't even see you.
Hey, Josh, come here.
Let me do it. Oh, you Carl's got
Gotta turn up the lens.
Dysfunctional, ignorant, idiot who ain't got a clue, but knows what to do with shit serious, delirious from alcoholisms, drug addictions, mad inside, from unjust convictions, predicting a lot of bloodshed, locked up frustration, a time bomb is what you're facing. I'm brazen with a plan, animal. Fuck around with this man if you can. It's your funeral, it's beautiful. I'm serial, crushing individuals who thinking that they hardcore when they climb waves is minimal. There's principles, rules, certain things illegal. Can't scream my name, so it's my right to get medieval. You're feeble, in a dumpster, I'ma leave you. Just some ashes, heaven sent, no fingerprints or evidence. It's irrelevant. Who are you? I'm the legend on Boston streets. You just pretending. Been in the game, stay pulling in work.